Madagascar is one of the world's biodiversity hotspots. Biodiversity is under serious threat from human activities. As a signatory of the Rio Convention, Madagascar is among the countries with the National Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plan, NBSAP. The NBSAP is currently being updated with the goal to align it with the global framework on biodiversity put in place during the coming Montreal COP. It is in this context that the German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development and the Norwegian Agency for Development and Cooperation are supporting the Malagasy government through GIZ as part of the GBF implementation project. The project is being implemented by GIZ from 2023 to 2025 and involves multi-level consultations with young people and local communities. The first stage of our process began in Diego, where members of the community and young people and representatives of the Ministry of the Environment and Sustainable Development, MEAD, met. The consultation allowed us to gather diverse viewpoints and better understand the unique challenges facing this region. These are the local stakeholders that the Ministry, the Regional Directorate for the Environment, and the Governorate of Diana are calling on to collaborate in the field of biodiversity, such as the representatives of Mihaavo in the three regions, as well as youth representatives. The reason for choosing these actors is clear, as they are the ones who work at local level, close to protected areas, such as the Kobabe zones. They are also the ones who contribute most to the protection, use, and management of biodiversity. The second consultation took place in Mayunga, another region rich in marine and terrestrial biodiversity in Madagascar. This first stage consisted of organizing regional consultations, the aim of which was to create directed discussions on the priorities of the 23 NBSAP targets. Each regional representative in Madagascar identified the key points to be integrated into the NBSAP to enable them to participate more fully in the process. The GBF implementation project in Madagascar supported the participation of representatives from 5 of the 23 regions, bringing together 30 young people, 30 representatives of local communities, and 24 representatives of local authorities and decentralized services. Other regions were represented through the support of other funding organizations. From 2015 to 2025, Madagascar's National Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plan, MBSAP, has been put in place in line with international objectives and comprising 20 targets. As part of the implementation of the first NBSAP, Mihaavo was not consulted, but it was at national level that we participated. So it was only our opinions at central level that were taken into account for inclusion in the 2015-2025 NBSAP. As part of the alignment and updating of NBSAP 2, which is likely to run from 2025 to 2030, Mihaavo decided, with the support of its financial partners and under the supervision of the Ministry of the Environment and Sustainable Development, to play an active role in updating NBSAP 2. The partners who supported us were GIZ through the GBF implementation project, GEF UNDP, and the APAC World Consortium. They supported us in carrying out consultations with the Ministry at regional level, followed by national feedback on the opinions of the local community, regional and district representatives, STDs, decentralized local community, CTDs, and young people. After the regional consultations, a national restitution was organized to share the results of the consultations with representatives of young people and local communities from Madagascar's 22 regions. At the restitution, the 22 representatives present worked together to draw up a national position paper for young people and local communities. These national position papers formalize the demands and priorities arising from the consultations, serving as a basis for integrating their needs into their updated NBSAP. These positions were presented to the Ministry of the Environment and Sustainable Development. Today's workshop focused on the presentation of priority targets for young people in the NBSAP, the National Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plan. They presented the 7 priority targets that they consider important and that will enable them to contribute to the realization of the NBSAP. Target 22 of the Global Biodiversity Framework clearly calls for the involvement of local communities and young people in achieving the NBSAP. It is in the implementation of the NBSAP that young people have been sensitized to actively participate in its realization. Their intervention is specifically requested in the consultations for the updating of the NBSAP and will also be presented this year during COP16 in Cali, Colombia, to present their position and commitment to the implementation of the NBSAP in Madagascar. The consultations in Madagascar were a successful form of involvement of young people and the local community because they addressed all targets, were led by their peers, a network of young people and local communities, and were supported by the Ministry of the Environment and Sustainable Development. Now what remains to be done is to strengthen the capacity of young people and local communities to carry out the planning and valorization of their own efforts to protect biodiversity, so they can better contribute to the implementation of the NBSAP.